Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Intent. Intent means intention or purpose. For example, with alarm she realized his intent. With alarm she realized his intent. Synonyms: aim, purpose, intention.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it. Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.